Yo, what is good, YouTube? We are back with a trade recap. Today's trade was taken on gold. It was a short. If you're not in the free Discord, go join it. It is linked down below. But looking at this chart coming into the day on gold, I was very bullish, right? So what made me take a short? All right, what made me flip my bias from being bullish to then taking a short? Well, if we take a look here, we have this imbalance. But if we go to the daily, what are we doing here? We just took out this external high inside of this internal fair value gap, right? So I still think the weekly draw becomes all-time highs, right? We're coming into this bullish fair value gap. We also came down to what? A discount. So we came down to a discount, and now we are pushing higher. It looks like that is now the draw, this external high on the weekly chart. Coming down to the 4-hour, I got chopped up in this once. I said I was going to wait for this to leave the range, and then I'll start looking at trades on gold. I think I took a loss on Wednesday. So right here, we take out that range high. We displace above that. So looking at this now, there it is. It's already there. We have discount down here, so I'd like us to come down here. But looking at the hourly chart, for the time being, let me hide these drawings. I thought that we were going to hold this imbalance to push back up to this high, right? So what made me flip from thinking this was going to push us up here? Well, if we put on these drawings, right, we see we are in a deep premium. So taking that into account, I shouldn't have even been looking for longs, right? Even if we look from here, there's zero swing low that we can drag from, like down here, where we can start this. There's no swing low we can start this from to measure out premium and discount. So this is our impulse leg higher on the 4-hour chart, which would be our premium and discount leg. So I should not have even been looking for longs up here. So this imbalance should have just been disregarded. So coming down to the 15-minute, now that you know where premium and discount lie, we can get rid of that. 15-minute chart. This manipulation leg, right, this is the swing down lower before this impulse swing higher. I don't get onto the charts till today. It was actually 9 o'clock, so I wasn't on the charts until this candle was forming. So I measured out this swing low, or swing high to swing low, noticing we came into this -2, 2.5, but I thought we were going to return to discount of this leg to this leg. Right, so if we measure this out, we can see, hey, we have came down here, and hey, we have reached -2, 2.5 from this swing right here, right? But looking at silver, what do we see here? So take into account -2, -2.5. We are rejecting from it. What is this right here? Right here we have SMT with silver. So this right here, this is now also 3 drives pattern into that SMT, one of the highest probability SMTs you can have, right? 1 drive, swing low. 2nd drive, swing low. 3rd drive. Now we are respecting this volume imbalance, right? We have this volume imbalance right there. We are respecting that. Also, that can just be identified as an order block right here because this is a leg that took liquidity. We are rejecting from this order block. I just saw it as a volume imbalance. So then we displace lower, confirming that that is now our change in the state of delivery. This, I changed my bias at around 9:45 when I started actually analyzing this chart because I wasn't interested in oil, right? We were just chopping in this range. NASDAQ and ES, we just went straight up, straight down. Right, I'm on the 5 and 15-minute. There's nothing here for me to take. So, noticing that we have that 3 drives, come down, tap the change in the state of delivery. Also with that volume imbalance, displacement lower, 15-minute fair value gap. Now I'm scouting for shorts. So, right here on the 5-minute chart, what do we see again? 1 drive, swing low. 2nd drive, swing low. 3rd drive higher. Also, what do we create? Oh, I thought we, never mind. I thought we formed SMT there. I'm incorrect. So we have a 3 drives pattern on the 5-minute. I just marketed in. I had my stop right here at this high, and I went for a fixed 2R. So Whenever we hit this low and create equal lows, and then right here, whenever we get this move lower, I moved my stop above this candle's high because I just wanted to see us distribute down because we had those equal lows, and then we got filled out. Now gold's just retracing. Maybe we get a reversal, I don't know. But we had that 3 drives pattern inside of that 15-minute fair value gap. I honestly just expected us to go straight down, so I just marketed in. Didn't wait for this 5-minute fair value gap. That could have been an ad. Also, we create an SMT with this swing high right here on gold. So now we created a second SMT, and then we get that distribution lower. This can be now identified as a negative order block. That's also why I moved my stop, because why is this an order block? This is a manipulation leg because we formed that SMT right there. Also, we were well above midnight open, so shorts just looked good after I genuinely analyzed this chart. Also, if we take a look at dollar was drawing into this 4-hour fair value gap right there. So everything lining up except order flow. Order flow obviously on gold is bullish, so that's why I went for a fixed 2R instead of targeting midnight open or this low down here or this low, because whenever you have bullish order flow, the refusal to take out lows becomes an issue if you're in shorts. So I just went for that fixed 2R and made what, 776 on 2 top step accounts because I'm copy trading now. But if we zoom out, this just looks like a beautiful market maker sell model. Down here could be your original consolidation, but we don't need to reach that because we have bullish order flow, and we are just in a straight market maker buy model to all-time highs, right? We have this original consolidation up here, weekly internal to external, so we are bullish, right? So take what is given to you in the opposing order flow direction. This was a very simple trade, but I thought there was good value in this on how to actually analyze, right? 3 drives pattern into that negative 2.5, refusal to close above that negative 2.5. We are in a daily fair value gap. SMT with silver, right here, rejection of a negative order block as well as a volume imbalance. Displace lower, 15-minute fair value gap. 3 drives within that fair value gap. Mark it in because you should just get distribution straight down. Wow, I just talked a lot without breathing. But yeah, that's the trade. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're not in the free Discord, go join it. It's linked down below. Other than that, I'm out of here. Have a good weekend. Be ready for CPI next week, and I'll see you in another video. Peace.